Yes, distinguishing science from pseudoscience is one of the classic tasks of the philosophy of science. This is known as the demarcation problem. What it's about, philosophers of science ask. What makes a field genuinely scientific? Why is astronomy accepted as science but astrology isn't? What criteria separate physics from pseudophysics, or medicine from quackery? Key approaches. Karl Popper, science makes falsifiable claims, ones that could, in principle, be proven wrong by evidence. Pseudoscience avoids genuine risk of refutation. Thomas Kuhn emphasized the role of paradigms and historical practice rather than a single strict method. Imre Lakatos talked about research programs. Progressive ones generate new predictions, degenerative ones just patch up failures. Summary. The philosophy of science doesn't just identify fake fields for the sake of labeling. It tries to analyze the methods and logic that give science its special reliability and to explain why some areas fail to meet those standards. Yes, if someone is seriously examining how to distinguish science from pseudoscience, they are engaging in a philosophical activity, specifically in the philosophy of science. Here's why. They are not merely collecting data like a scientist. They are asking conceptual and methodological questions. What counts as evidence? What makes a claim falsifiable? What is the scientific method, really? These are meta-questions about the nature of science itself, classic philosophical territory. Example, a physicist who tests a new theory is doing science. A thinker who analyzes why falsifiability matters or what separates astrology from astronomy is doing philosophy of science, even if they also have a scientific background. So yes, anyone who wrestles with the criteria that separates science from pseudoscience is, at least in that activity, practicing philosophy.